What's up, guys? Welcome back. Moving along, getting excited. This is kind of a precursor to the last video. This is a culmination of a few days of me working on the car, taking off the heads, taking out the rocker arms, the lifters, taking out all of it, categorizing it, and yeah. So hope you enjoy the video. It's comprised over a number of different days of me wrenching on this thing, but it's Thursday night now, and the block is going out tomorrow. So I'm excited. I got all the bearings in. I'm just waiting on the piston rings, and those should be in sometime tomorrow. So either drop them off at the shop with it, or the wifey will help me out and bring them over on Saturday morning. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for coming by again. Hope you're enjoying it. Listen, the 305 is a fun little motor. It's going to be a fun little car, and I can't wait. I'm looking really forward to it. So hope you enjoy, and till next time, be safe.
Different than a month ago. This team has a real chance coming down the stretch. Come on now, I think the playoff chances went from 9 to 17% following the win. Might see how far will come from an actual bear. Let's listen in. Looks like the Bears are saying, there it is, right there on every screen. The Chicago Bears are going far.
Myself some more room, I guess, huh?
You're asking what's the growth from our Bears fans? I'll tell you.
Those things ain't easy. Those things are on.
Which prize door are you going with? Door number 2, guys. Door number 2. Oh, it's door number 2, and it's turducken. Leftover turducken. Leftover turducken. Thank you, Mike T, for playing for our lawn. That turducken looks juicy. It looks delicious. And I would love to eat some of that. These are the top plays from the Thanksgiving day. Let's start at number 10, as is customary. Men's college shooters.
See if I can zoom in here. Nope, can't zoom in. No. Okay. Moving on. Coffee. Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. Everybody enjoyed their turkey or ham, whatever it is that you guys do. It's funny because me personally, like, the turkey dinner isn't that big of a deal to me, but the big deal is the sandwich after. That's That's what I look forward to. The turkey sandwich after Thanksgiving is, ooh, that's the stuff. That is the stuff. For those who have never taken off cast iron heads, those probably are a good 30, 40 pounds. So, going with aluminum heads, lighten that up a little bit. And I believe if I flip this thing, it's going to be a lot more manageable too, which would be nice.
Celebrating, he just lost the wheel. Just face planted on the ice. Take another look.
Speaking of Randy and Austin, I mean, if I told you he was not entirely sober here, would you believe me?
I've been to Austin like twice in my life.
It was nasty.
Well, then I remember most of it. I remember most of it. Syracuse versus Kansas, it's a 10-point game. William Kyle III. It's even funnier when you call him Phil Kyle III.
Yeah, no, that's probably an homage to their football team this year.
Airing it out.
Too soon.
Just not being good.
Yeah,
Understood.
yeah.
Understood. Number 6, Shador Sanders wide open to Jerry Jeudy, and then Jeudy kind of just got a little. Did he have any echelons? No.
You know what?
I'm echelons.
I love it when you show what this happens to you. I mean, I shouldn't, but I do.
Trevor, we got Michigan Maryland tied at 7, 4 to go in the first. Bryce Underwood dropping back. It's intercepted by James Scruggs. It hit him in the back.
Well, he's thinking, I'm going to pick 6, I'm going to be on Sports Center. Well, he's right about the second one.
He's right about being on Sports. I thought I don't want Scruggs. And then number 4, Washington, UCLA. Speaking of showboating and having a showboat, Cash Peterman tried to flip it back. This would be Mr. Holder to do too much.
It's like, hey, it worked in Madden. I did it 7 times the night before the game on the video.
Yeah. Number 3, Florida State, NC State, 4 minutes to go. Oh, this was. But Matt LaFleur was calling timeout, but it clearly looked like, oh yeah, it was after. This is LaFleur on that call.
Of course they get it right. What do you think, Pete? I'm just calling timeout.
Put it over that wing. Yeah. What gave it away? Okay, so 4th and 1 after the granted timeout. It's Love finding Romeo because of course. Oh Romeo. Way more hard about Romeo. Don't get a big head. 17-7. The Packer up. Jameson Williams though, just give him an inch of space, and he will make do. 7 catches, 144 yards. Lions 17-14. Third quarter now. Packers 2nd and 10. The score remains a Packers 3-point lead. It's snug. Christian Watson 51 yards to the crib. 3 touchdowns over the course of his last 3 games. The Packers are up by 10. 7.5 to go. Here comes Goff.
You're going to look so pretty when this is done. You're going to look so pretty. It's going to be all clean. No shit inside of it. No carbon buildup. You're going to look really pretty.
Still ahead is LimeWire back because this CD is burning. How Lamb overshadowed Turkey on Thanksgiving. That was actually great. That's great.
Sports Center, brought to you by Liberty Mutual Insurance. Only pay for what you need.
You're enjoy the overwhelming relief after Miralax helps you go. Miralax works naturally with the water in your body. Miralax, free your gut to free your mood. For more fiber per serving than any other gummy, try Mira Fiber.
Joining us is Dr. Drew from the Wellness Company with advice for dealing with seasonal colds and flu. Doctor?
Cold flu season is here, and every year your loved one gets sick. Your doctor can't see you. Waiting in a crowded urgent care is brutal. This is a particularly bad cold flu season, and it's why doctors suggest every family needs an emergency medical kit. Your medical emergency kit is filled with essential precautions. It includes antibiotics like generic Z-Pak to get well faster, amoxicillin for pneumonia, strep throat, ear infections, plus prescriptions for nausea and UTIs, and even ivermectin. It's easy. Just match your symptoms to the description in your guidebook or call the telemedicine doctor standing by. Take your medication early and feel better faster. Having a medical emergency kit is like having an urgent care in your home. No waiting to see a doctor, no lines at the pharmacy.
Smart advice. We've shared the website and discount code below to save orders $45. Order now and your kit will be rushed to your door. Thank you, doctor.
Doctor.
Dude, you sent out 3 with protein to tackle every craving. Chunky, the soup that eats like a meal. Why do you have your uniform on? So people recognize me.
So, I've always thought that Thanksgiving doesn't get its due. Like, everyone rushes into Christmas, and don't get me wrong, I love Christmas, but I really like Thanksgiving, more for that turkey sandwich, but it's just a good holiday. But now that Thanksgiving is over, it's Christmas time. Today is the kickoff of the Christmas season for my family and I. We go out every year, we go cut down a Christmas tree.
Gillette lamps ain't a miracle, but it sure as heck ain't my old razor.
Kids always get super excited about it.
30 shaves per cartridge, I'm spending less.
It's always fun to look at their faces
Last 50% longer and give you a fresh
when the elves and the shelves show up.
Gillette, the best of
And they showed up last night.
Keeps getting better.
When investing leads to questions, JP Morgan Wealth Management has powerful tools, research from expert analysts, and a single view researching and investing account right in the Chase mobile app. When you want to take control of your financial future, the answer is JP Morgan Wealth Management. A company with a hot chocolate guru. Okay, nobody calls me that. No, I've got this.
With Straight Talk's real unlimited data, say yes a lot more. Yes to unlimited video calling. Yes to unlimited gifting. Yes. With Straight Talk, say yes to unlimited holiday moments.
No.
Let the yes-tivities begin.
Yes.
New and existing customers get a free 5G phone on us on America's most reliable 5G network. Find us at straighttalk.com and Walmart.
Flash, 100-yard dash. Need to get across town and go to the lofts. No problem.
Zootopia 2 is an absolute blast. It is the vibes and just as fun as the original.
Smile.
We are the dream team.
Sorry, folks.
It's a hilarious feel-good family adventure. To an outstanding sequel that's well worth the wait.
I can't believe we're fucking doing this shit.
Disney Zootopia
Be
2
honest with you.
now playing only in theaters.
Gary makes a great point in the break. We were all enjoying the holiday. Yeah.
Never been that guy.
Freedoms provide us. Correct. Navy was working. Perfect. Navy taking on Memphis. These midshipmen. They gotta just start calling them the shipmen because they are anything but mid. That's Blake Horvath. Taking it himself, 22 yards. Goes over 1,000 rushing yards on the season to go with 1,390 passing yards. First player in Navy history with consecutive seasons of 1,000 through the air and 1,000 on the ground because Navy is the most versatile branch of the military. Alex Teska is in. He had 26 carries, 103 yards. Navy on top of these Tigers, 14-10. Now Memphis started 8-1 on the season. They're trying to avoid losing their third straight. That'll work. Look at that, Cortez Rom Jr. Auburn still flying. Probably Raha would be something that I would have done. What's up, Raha? In college. This right here, Teska again. 109 total yards on the day. Second touchdown of the day. Navy wins. They can still make the AAC title game with a 2-lane loss or a North Texas loss. Not both my sweet potato. John Shine This score is game tied 22 second half.
Oh.
Now, Billy Richmond
Yeah.
third.
I see a Cam.
Ends up with Malik Ewan, and that's high percentage. Arkansas up a 5 spot against these undefeated Dookies, 7-0 to start the season. Haven't started 8-0 since 2017. Here comes the freshman Cameron Boozer. The team's leading scorer, 13-18 from the field, and when most of your shots are from the hoop, you're not going to miss too many of them off that miss. Clean it up. Duke up by 2, 3.5 to go.
Excuse me.
By the way, it's Boozer, ISO, boot, arm. Guess who's there?
I'm hoping, I don't think so, but I'm assuming that like just wiping them down isn't gonna like cause them to get oxidized or rusty or anything like that. Because I'm assuming these things are just, there's quite a bit of oil on here. I'm not putting any like degreaser or anything, so I'd like to think that it's okay.
Sunday, and that went over the Eagles, tied for the most in a game in his career. Here he is on fixing his problems.
You know, just mission oriented and not really much dwell on the problem. Granted, we know the problem. Hey, catch the ball.
And what I'm writing on these is the cylinder that it came out of and the position, whether it be 1 or 2. So 2.1, 2.2, 4.2, 4.1, 6.1, so on and so forth. Same with the other side. This way, I don't know. I might use the same. I don't know. Maybe I use these lifters. I mean, they look to be in decent shape. But then again, I really don't know what I'm looking at in terms of what's good shape, what's bad shape. So, but at the same time, I'm sitting here going, if they are messed up and you're not aware, kind of a pain in the balls to do it all over again. So,